Hello, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to draw these shapes. Let's go. Let's see what colors do we have. These are our beautiful colors. Yellow color, green color, purple color, red color, indigo color, orange color, pink color, green color, sky blue color, brown color, blue color, and black. Let's go. Let's draw our first shape. Pentagon. Triangle. Oval. Parallelogram. Star. Rhombus. Now, let's color these shapes. Red color. Pentagon. Yellow color. Triangle. Parrot green color. Oval. Pink color. Parallelogram. Orange color. Star. Sky blue color. Rhombus. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Stay tuned for our next videos. Till then, like, share and subscribe. Bye.